guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Boxycharm February edition. I just received this package in the mail today, and it does retail for $20 a month with a monthly subscription. So retails for honestly $22.95, with taxes and shipping and handling. But this is my box if you're gonna go through it. Right behind me is my cat Jace. I guess he just wants to join in on the fun. So if you guys want to see what I got in this box, then keep on watching.
Bobbies. That's my little Bobbykins. Who's my little Bobbykins? I need my Bobbykins. I need my little Bobbies, my babies, just my babies.
Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this video because my cat is distracting me. So, this is my box. And on the inside, we have, ta-da! The Afterglow box. This is the February edition. I'm not even gonna sit here and pretend and lie to you guys. I did open this box probably about 30 minutes ago because I wanted to see what I got inside, because I'm trying to be like a little cheeky YouTuber because I'm going to Maine on Friday, so I'm gonna be gone for a week, and I still want to release videos while I'm away. I did go ahead and open up this box and do little mini Instagram videos. So if you guys want to see that, please head on over to my Instagram page. You guys can find me at Allie89, and I will have that link down below as well as in my banner of the channel description page. But I did take a little bit of looking inside of here, and I just want to talk about a few things, talk about this box, and give you guys my opinions on it. So for starters, this is the Afterglow edition box. Now I know that there's I think 2 or 3 variations of it. I know one of my friends, she got the facial cream and a lipstick instead of getting an eye shadow and a banana cream lotion. But in my box, I'm just gonna not even play around and dive right on into this. I keep seeing my cat in the monitor, and he just looks like he's so angry behind me, yet it's his choice to sit behind me. So the first product I got is the Better Than Sex Too Faced Mascara. I have never used Too Faced's Better Than Sex mascara before, so this is my first time trying it out. I am currently actually wearing it right now. I think it's gorgeous. I love the way it works. This bristles to me are very, very soft. It's a little on the fatter side, so the only unfortunate thing for me is, I don't know if anyone else there struggles with this the way that I do, but when I apply my mascara with a really fat bristle, as soft as it may be, I end up getting mascara on my eyelid, and I'm like, ugh. So then I have to sit there and take my shadow or concealer and blend it out, and it's a pain. But I did try this mascara. I think it's really good. It does retail for $24.99. Do I think it's worth $24.99? No, because I get more use out of my Maybelline Big Colossal mascara. I find that this works just as well for literally a third of the cost. So that's just my opinion on that. Hi.
Hi, Bobbies.
Now it says this is Better Than Sex. No, it's not. The next product that I got is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. This does retail for $32, and it looks like this, and we'll swatch it right here in the back of my hand for you guys. To me, it is a really gorgeous highlight. It's just very comparable to the Becca highlighters, to my Master Chrome, from Maybelline highlighter, to my Amarizi highlighter, to my Jeffree Star King Tut highlighter. This is a very comparable highlighter to it. It smells really good. It smells amazing, and I like Pretty Vulgar. Now their eyeshadow palettes, I got quite a few of them from because of Boxycharm. Not a fan of, but their setting powder that I have, I'm absolutely obsessed with, and I got this in my other Boxycharm box. I'd never even heard of Pretty Vulgar until Boxycharm, but this highlighter does retail for $32. I did put it on this cheek right here. I didn't put it on this cheek, but I did put it on this cheek. It is really pretty, it's really beautiful, but I probably would never spend $32 on the highlighter. So for the next product that I got the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. This primer right here says that it creates a seamless canvas for your foundation with the new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. The light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, gives your skin a soft velvet feel. Thanks. Green tea and collagen acts as adhesive, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. Now this does retail for $18, and I will link a little video right here of me testing it out. One, I would say that it smells It smells really good, and I'll even put it on my hands right here for you guys. This is how the product itself looks, and when you actually rub it in, it has like a very like silky, like water-based feel. It almost kind of reminds me of the Tatcha water like moisturizer that I have. It smells amazing. It smells like fresh roses. I don't know how to describe it, but it is very silky. It's very smooth, and I like it for sure. I really like it, and it only retails for $18, which really is not a bad price at all. And so I definitely can't wait to keep trying this out to see how well it really does work with, you know, controlling my pores. Like right now on camera, I can completely see my pores, so I don't even know if it does a great job doing that, but I do really like it so far. Next product that I got is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream. I got their other one and the Boxycharm, like the little small yellow one, a couple months ago. This one I got again, and this like literally smells like coconut mixed with vanilla. It makes me like want to go to the beach, and it smells like all the tourists that come to Disney. They all smell like sunblock, and this is kind of the similar feel that I have to it, and it smells so good. Like every time I smell them, I'm like, I'm gonna go to Typhoon Lagoon. It smells so good. But this does retail for $20. And then the last product that I got was the Nu Stick Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. This does retail for $24, and it looks like so this is actually really cool because you could probably use this as an eyeshadow if you wish to do so. You can like put it on your eyes, blend it out. I don't know if I will use it as a eyeshadow. I might use it as like eyeliner, or I don't know, but I've never really used like big sticks like this unless they're for eyeliner purposes. So that is everything that I got in my box. I actually really liked this box. I think that the products that I got were really exciting, and I can't wait to keep trying out the pore primers, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, the Swan highlighter, the cream. Like I really like this box. So yeah, this is like a really short, quick video. I just wanted to get out there and do my thoughts and opinions on this. I am so close to hitting 500 subscribers, and when I do, guys, I will be doing another giveaway for you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And if you guys want to see this look, this is my little simple Valentine's Day look. I think this video is going to come out before my Valentine's Day one, because I think I'm going to release out on Valentine's Day. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I do post videos twice a week. And I just want to thank you guys for all the love and support, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye, guys. Okay, the next product that I got is the Pretty Vulgar Swan Shimmering Honey. This does retail for $32. I actually found the next product I got is the Pretty Vulgar Swimming Too Faced Better Than Yes! What else did I get? Oh my god. Hey Corey. Just chilling. So this, I'm gonna go. Can't stop laughing. Received this. I did just receive this in my mail today. The box, it does retail for $20 a month with the monthly 2 videos in 1.